let's start with the next, that is the third one. Now this third one is the preposition of direction. Now in this also you will find many prepositions, again like repeated prepositions you will find. But even these prepositions, they come in directions. Okay, pointing out the directions, or they tell you about the directions also. For example, to, round, around, towards, across, against, along, at, up, through, down, onto. Okay, and along with these, forward, backward, downward, upward, they all tell you about the directions, which is very much clear. Okay, just by the word. So forward, you all know that going ahead, that is forward, that is, it tells you the direction, isn't it? Backward, like moving backward, moving forward, isn't it? And moving downward the hill, going towards the down direction. Upward, moving up the hill. So all these four, they tell you about the directions, isn't it? So the directions, the prepositions of directions. Now here, let us see to. Okay. The girl moved to the class. Okay, moved to the class. So it also tells you about the direction. Round. Okay. He is moving round. Like if I move like this, so it is called round. Okay, so it is round. Means just moving at one place. That is round. Okay. But if I say around, it is like this is a park. Okay. And moving around the park. Circumvent. Just to go round. So this is called around. Moving around this park. Moving around. Okay, but if you're moving at one place, that is round, going on round and round, just like the top. Now next, towards, again it tells you two words, means again it's a forward only, towards. Across, I told you before also about the across. Suppose this is a pond and a boy is going across the pond, means just crossing from one place to another, crossing, straight cross, so cross. Or it can be a road and crossing, so across, from one side to the other side, that is across. Against, going against the gravity. Okay, like gravity pulls you, and if you are going upward, so this is against. Against means just the opposite direction. Along, going side by side, moving along the fence. Okay, that means the fence is here and you are also moving along like this, and like I am moving along the whiteboard. So just like that. So moving along, side by side, along. At, okay, like if there is a picture, okay, and I want to hit that picture, or I want to hit that board, okay, then at, I threw the pen at the board. So the direction, it tells you about the direction, at the board. And it also has the force, which I told you in the beginning also. Up, again the movement towards up. So again it is telling you the direction, up. Through, the girl passed through the passage. Okay, so again it is telling you the direction, through the passage. Down, down or downwards, it is the movement. Okay, down, now it is telling you the direction, down. Downwards, towards the down. Onto, again there's a movement in onto, and it also tells you the direction. Suppose now if there is a chair, chair is kept here like this. Okay, there's a chair, there's a chair here, and a ball is thrown, and the ball goes like this. Okay. He threw the ball onto the chair. So that means onto the chair. So the movement is there and on. So onto, again it is telling you the direction. Where? Onto. Towards, upward, onto the chair. So this is the move. Again it is telling you about there's a movement also, and it is the direction onwards. Okay, onwards. So this, I hope you must have understood prepositions of direction. So to, round, on one place, around, going around the park, towards, again it is telling you towards any place, towards the school. When he was going towards the school, he found a pencil box. So across, when you go across, against just the opposite direction. Okay. Along, going side by side. At, there's a force also in at, and at some place, like he is going at his house. So at, there's a place also. It tells you about the place also. Then I told you I stay in Jodhpur at Pauta. So at, it tells you about the place also. And at what time we are going to go. So it is going to tell you about the time also, and at, it tells you about the direction also. He threw the box at his friend. So at, again it tells you about the direction also. So it has multidisciplinary actions also. I mean, you can say that so many things, at, to, so there are so many words, even up, isn't it? Now up the hill, he went up the hill. So up, again it is telling you about the direction. Through, pass through the channel. Down, again it is downwards or down the direction. Onto, there's a movement also, and even it is telling you onto. That means from the lower area to the upper area, the person or the animal is jumping. So with this we come to our end about prepositions of direction. I hope you must have understood well. Now let's do the exercises.